Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to use the Ria Money Transfer application in 2025 step by step. So first of all, you need to download and install the Ria application from Google Play Store or App Store. Now once it is installed successfully, the home page or the interface will look something like this, where if you are not already a user of Ria, you will have to tap on the register option, then select whether you are in United States or no. Now remember, if you select the no option, you won't be able to register here because this particular application is for United States only. So if you are in the United States, select the yes option, provide your email address and your password. Then on the next page, you will have to simply verify your phone number with the OTP and you will be able to register at Ria. If you already have an account, you need to tap on the login option, then provide your login credentials and you will be able to easily log in into your account. Now once you are successfully logged in, your interface of the Send Money tab will look something like this, where first of all you will have to select where you want to send your money. So by default it will be sent to Mexico, but you need to simply tap on it and you can select it to, let's say, Philippines. After that, you need to enter the amount in USD that you want to spend in order to basically send to Philippines, and then you need to select the payment method. If you tap on this drop down menu, you will see a bank, credit card, debit card and cash, so you can select any of the methods as per your convenience. Now we have the delivery method, so you can select the delivery method based on the country in which you want to send in the money. Then if you want to save money at your first transfer, you can just simply use this promo code, that is Hello Ria. So make sure that you use that promo code and your fee will be waived off and you don't need to pay anything for your first transfer. So then you need to tap on the send option in the bottom, and after that you need to provide some of the details of the recipients and you will be able to start using it very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.